Music Madness 101. We just recently uploaded a website about music, Music Madness 101.weebly.com. Link will be in the description. And we've had this site for about since last Tuesday, and we got 68 views in the last week. That's amazing. I know it's only 68, but dang, that's awesome. So thank you so much, and we just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you!
Thank you! So, yeah, so check out the website if you haven't already, and we got contests, we've got, you can become a member, we've got Sidewalk Prophets, 10th Avenue North.
Colton Nixon.
I was getting ready to say that. Skylar, Jimmy Grace, and more. So definitely check out the website and become a member if you want to. And also, we have an email that you can email us, and we might do a question and answer. We are going to do a question and answer. Not for sure when, but we will do it. Soon, very soon.
Hopefully.
Yeah. So if you want to ask us questions, email us below. So thank you guys so much, and have a great day. Bye.